Hi, I'm Sunil. Welcome to my channel MEP Insights. In today's video, we'll learn about the digital key, also called Digital Signature Certificate, and why it's mandatory for participating in Telangana government e-tenders. I'll also show you the step-by-step process to obtain one. Let's get started. Are you planning to participate in Telangana government e-tenders? Then remember, a digital key, also called Digital Signature Certificate, is 100% mandatory. What is a digital key? A Digital Signature Certificate DSC is an electronic key stored in a secure USB token. It is used to sign and encrypt tender documents online. In Telangana eProcurement, you cannot submit bids without a DSC. Why is it mandatory? Telangana eProcurement portal requires Class Trace DSC for registering as a contractor vendor, downloading tender documents, uploading and signing bid forms, checkmark, encrypting your bid for security. Without it, even you can't get login and not able to submit bid for tenders. Types of DSC. Class 3, DSC, signing only, for digital signature. Class 3, DSC, encryption only, for securing documents. Class 3 combo, i.e., sign plus encrypt. Recommended for contractors, as most tenders need both. How to get a DSC in Telangana? Go to tender.telangana.gov.in. Under Quick Links, click on Digital Signature. You will get information regarding list of CAs, i.e. certifying authorities, eMudra, application forms and softwares. Fill up the application and enclose necessary copies of Aadhaar, PAN, etc. and submit them to manually. Or visit the site emudhradigital.com. Just click on Buy Certificate. Then, fill in the DSC application form and start your application by selecting the type of digital signature you need in online and fill up details. Just click on Buy Certificate. And based on your type of digital key amount will be shown there and you need to payment for. Next, keep documents ready to verify your identity in under 2 minutes using Aadhaar eKYC. Complete a quick and secure paperless identity verification process. After successful verification of your details, you'll receive your USB token with DSC from eMudra or from any licensing authority you applied. Next, download your digital signature certificate. If not received, contact help line number or visit their office. Before registering your DSC on eProcurement portal, you need to install the required drivers and DSC softwares and from the Telangana eProcurement portal. First, download mSigner, set up for Windows, then download Java for your desktop computer. Free Java download. Next, insert your digital key to computer and install the software in the digital key to map your digital signature certificate into the computer. If any problem arises, please visit the site tender.telangana.gov.in and click on Download tab to get more information regarding software installations. After successful installation of required softwares, register your DSC on eProcurement portal, insert your USB token into computer, then go to tender.telangana.gov.in. Under Quick Links, just click Supplier Registration. Next, you see eProcurement Portal User Agreement and click on I agree. Then you can see Contractor / Supplier Registration online application form in which fill up details like contractor, supplier type, digital certificate details, and upload your signing certificate and encryption certificate. By selecting from the digital key, primary contact details, business details, office address details, registration details, bank details, etc. Zrenia. Then click on Submit and your digital signature certificate will be mapped to your computer. Now you are ready bid for tenders.
You need a DSC key first. No DSC is equal to no tender. Step 1. Choose a certifying authority like eMudra, SIFI, or Encode. Step 2. Fill out the application form online. Step 3. Do eKYC, Aadhaar OTP or video verification. Step 4. Pay the fee and your DSC USB token will be delivered. That's it. In just a few steps, your digital key is ready.
Key points for Telangana. Tenders. DSC must be in the name of the authorized signatory of the company/firm. Even if you are registered as a vendor and contractor on the portal, you cannot submit a tender without attaching your DSC. For first-time users, after receiving the DSC USB token, it must be mapped, registered on the Telangana eProcurement portal. The DSC must be obtained from a licensed certifying authority CA like eMudra, SIFI, etc. or via Telangana Technology Services TGTS. Contractors must register their DSC on the Telangana eProcurement portal before participating. DSC usually comes with a USB token and it's mandatory for use. Validity 1 year or 2 years and renewable. So that's how you get and use a digital key DSC for Telangana e-tenders. Remember, digital key absolutely mandatory for participating tenders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MAP Insights for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.